Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy 15th birthday, dear Beebop. And that's not dog years, that's human years. Happy 15th birthday to you. And at least 15 or 20 more. Because she lives to like 30 or 35. So she's halfway done with her life. And she's enjoying her 15th birthday cake. Every year she has a birthday cake. And this year is no different. So we're celebrating since birth Beebop's birthday with a birthday cake.